Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make an incline double fan fold. For this project, you want to center your shirt using the sleeve inside the other sleeve technique. So I'm using a washable marker to mark out the center points, and then I'm going to tuck one sleeve inside the other sleeve, line up the seams in the underarm and along the shoulder, and then I'm going to lay it flat down on the table and smooth out the wrinkles, and I'm going to put the back of the shirt and the front of the shirt together, and that's going to create symmetry. Next, I'm going to mark out my pattern using a washable marker and a piece of kite string, and then I'm going to pleat along this line, making that line as straight as possible. And I'd say the pleats on this one are about an inch tall. For this project, I'm going to secure it by using the tiny baby hair rubber bands. You could also use kite string. It really is just a matter of preference. Since this project is going to be an incline ice dye, I'm going to place it inside of a piece of gutter. And I got the gutter at Lowe's and I cut it down into manageable size pieces using a Sawzall. Now it's a good idea to clean your gutters in between projects. I obviously didn't for this one, so I just used a Clorox wipe to wipe it clean. And now I'm going to create an ice dam by using a piece of foil. This project is going to be the dye over ice method. So if you're in the Facebook group and you see the abbreviation DOI, that stands for dye over ice. I like to fill the gutter up with ice to where I don't see any more of the project showing through. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to add the dye. And for this one, I'm just having some fun and I'm winging it. Next, I give the project a quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure, and you want to let it batch for at least 24 hours after the ice melts. Now it's time for the rinse out. You want to start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fabric, and then increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do however many hot water cycles it takes using Curalon. And Curalon is a professional textile detergent that I get from Dharma Trading Company. And it's usually about 2 hot water cycles. Then I do a final hot water cycle using Millsoft. And Millsoft is a professional fabric softener that I also get from Dharma Trading Company. And I do have links for both of them down below in the description box, along with everything else that I use for tie-dye, so go ahead and check that out. And then I'll put it in the dryer and I'll iron it and we'll come back and we'll see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our dye over ice Incline double fan fold after it's been washed and dried, and I think it turned out fantastic. I'm loving this color combination, and I got really good symmetry on this one. Do you guys see peacock feathers? I'm seeing peacock feathers. So the navy blue split down into a really pretty purple color, and then you can never go wrong with the lime pop. Lime pop just like glows like toxic ooze, and it's so bright and it just stands out and makes such a great contrast color. And this was my first time using the mom jeans and the blue caoutchouc, and I think they're really pretty. See how the navy turned into a really pretty purple color? And purple and green always look good together, at least in my opinion. So overall, I'm really happy with this shirt. I think it's really pretty, and these are pretty quick and easy to make, and you get really nice results. So what do you guys think? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.